Thinking of starting a company in India? The private limited company is the most popular structure for entrepreneurs, and for good reason. In the next few minutes, you will learn exactly how to incorporate one, step by step. A private limited company gives you 5 big advantages. Limited liability, so your personal assets are shielded from business debts. Perpetual succession, so the company outlives changes in ownership. The ability to raise equity funding from investors. Tax efficiency through lower corporate rates. And credibility with customers, vendors, and banks. The whole process now runs digitally through the Ministry of Corporate Affairs portal. You need a minimum of 2 directors who must be natural persons with at least 1 resident in India, 2 shareholders who can be individuals or entities, and a registered office address in India. Everything is filed through one integrated form called Spice Plus. Step 1. Reserve your company name through Spice Plus Part A after checking availability on the MCA portal and following the naming rules under the Companies Act 2013. Step 2. Obtain a digital signature certificate for every proposed director. It is mandatory for signing electronic filings. Step 3. Obtain director identification numbers through the Spice Plus application itself. Step 4. Draft your Memorandum of Association, which defines what the company can do, and your Articles of Association, which set the internal governance rules. Step 5. File the complete Spice Plus form with all documents and fees. And here is the best part. On approval, the MCA issues your Certificate of Incorporation along with PAN and TAN in one single process. The typical timeline is 7 to 10 working days. Incorporation is not the finish line. Open a company bank account within 30 days using your Certificate of Incorporation, MOA, AOA, PAN, and a board resolution. Register for GST if your expected turnover crosses the threshold, currently 40 lakh rupees for goods or 20 lakh for services in most states. Get your shops and establishment license from your state. If you qualify as a startup, apply for DPIIT recognition to unlock tax exemptions, and set up your statutory registers from day 1. Every year, you must file Form AOC4 with your financial statements and Form MGT7, the annual return. You need at least 1 board meeting every quarter and an annual general meeting within 6 months of the financial year end. Common mistakes include rejected names, sloppy documentation, and poorly drafted MOA and AOA clauses. Those 2 documents govern your company for life, so get them right at the start. Incorporation in India has never been faster, but the details decide whether it goes smoothly. For more information, visit our website and subscribe for more business law guides.